I remember my father there below, dark against the blazing forest floor. How far it seemed, how far it was, I cannot say now. Only that in a single moment I leapt the gulf from faith to doubt, twisted in the air at the last second to catch that ragged maple security. But I'd jumped too far. My hand and forearm bore the marks of fear. My father caught me before I hit the flaming forest floor. And because he made a sound of pain, my weight enough to bend the broken back, I knew he loved me. The scrape and back have healed, but the memory is strong, for me at least. He never gave it another second of his time.